this part of the videos, I'm going to go through the IELTS writing part of the exam, which includes the difference between academic writing and general writing. Now, the writing part of the IELTS exam is the first part of the exam. It actually used to be the third part, but of the 5th of April 2014, it changed to the first part. In the writing part of the exam, you're going to be given official IELTS paper to write your answers on. If you have large style writing and run out of room, don't worry too much. You can actually ask the examiner for more paper once you've used up what you have. This part of the exam is the most common part where students get so frustrated and don't really know what to do. In this part of the exam, it is actually up to the examiner to determine your score. So their professional opinion will alter your score. Whereas in the reading and the listening, the scores are entirely up to your personal skills. So please be aware that you need to make the examiner happy. To ensure a good score, you need to make sure that you hit all of the things they want. So I'm going to go through how to pretty much hit all of the right targets to make your examiner happy with your work. The writing exam will go for exactly 60 minutes and is separated into two parts. Task 1, where you need to write 150 words, and you should try to finish within 20 minutes. And Task 2, where you'll need to write 250 words within a 40-minute time frame. There are actually only 2 questions in the writing exam. Timing is very important. However, you don't need to stick to the 20 minutes for Task 1 and 40 minutes for Task 2, just as long as you can comfortably finish both questions within 60 minutes. The first task for the general exam will require you to write a letter, and the first task for the academic exam will require you to write a description of a graph, table, or illustration. Now, the second task for both style exams will be exactly the same. It will ask you to write an opinion piece essay on a particular topic. Now, we're going to break these 2 tasks down to really get a good look at the tiny details.